So this is the Fujifilm Acuity LED3200. This is an LED cured printer. 3200 stands for 3.2 meters. You can either have two shorter rolls or one big roll. This machine has dancer bars, so it's able to tension things like textiles, etc. Very well. It also has another take-up method, which is where you have a clutch mechanism, much like on the other machines. And obviously this is where you can just adjust to put your roll in accordingly. We'll have a look around the back of the machine in a second. So the machine is printing. I've got the safety system turned off on this so we can see inside a little bit more. So the machine actually has some trip switches, some trip guards, a little plate on the front. If it hits anything that's essentially going to cause damage to the print heads, it will actually trip the machine out and stop printing. So we're currently printing in a 12 pass, which is a higher quality mode for this machine. This machine, the current configuration for this is double CMYK. If we look at the nozzle test here, you can see essentially how the prints are done. The print heads on this are quad heads, so you actually get, if you like, one of each colour on the head. It can be actually configured to use white inks, light cyan and light magenta if you're doing window materials. Obviously that's chosen when you're actually installing it to start with. This machine is 2 CMYKs. If we go to the corner here, you can see we have the bulk ink containers. This is where we put the ink in. The inks are actually in litre bottles. They come with a chip. You put the chip into a little window slot on the front of the machine here, and then it prompts you to, if you like, pour the inks into the wells, and it is actually weighing the ink from there. So it's a single power connection on this, single phase. You can do 100 base T, or it can be a USB connection, which is what we're doing at the moment with this machine. Walk into the back of the machine. Again, the guards are off so we can see the printer working. You can see here the single feed. There can be another one to do 2 in the back there, or it could be a big roll. There's a particularly big roll of textile here, so we can again use the dancer bars to keep the tension on that.